Hello, everyone. Do you enjoy my special voice? I am coming to you this time to talk to you about something called the parent virus. Have you guys heard this virus? It's been smacking people left and right the last few weeks, and many of the sufferers of the parent virus sound like me. So, the parent virus. It's my own name, guys. The parent virus is the immune depressing symptoms that us parents experience due to our lovely, lovely petri dishes of children. So the parent virus isn't a real virus or a named virus, so I don't want to confuse you, but I'm suffering from the parent virus, and this is probably the first time, I believe, in 8, if not 9 years, that I've had symptoms this openly expressive, where I really can't hide it. My immune system's really dysfunctioning right now. So the parent virus, what is it? It's the thing that most of you are suffering from right now. It is not because it's the flu season. It's not because of the weather change and the shift. Many of us have school-aged children. And the reality is, I do not believe in the germ theory. They've proven it wrong for centuries, decades now. However, what happens is they still carry these viruses and bacteria around with them. And it has to do with, is your body strong enough to handle it or not? And I mean, many of you are sick year round, and I'm with you all the time, very in personal, space and contact, and I don't get sick. And that's because I really, really, really keep my immune system bumped up year round. I'm always getting adjusted. I'm on top of my nutrition with my supplementation. If I notice anything, I bump up a little harder, take a few extra products. My health cabinet is, I technically have 2. I have one for my day-to-day and one for the, what's that? And we know which products to take at what times. So I kind of have my proactive and my slightly reactive drawer or health cabinet, if you say so. So anyways, what I'm trying to get to here and wrap this up is, I'm suffering from the parent virus because last week my daughters really were congested and really kind of got that cough deep in their chest. And mom was fine. I handled everything really well last weekend, but 7 days in a row where you're getting less than 3 hours of sleep consecutively at all, it was like going back to the newborn stage, and I don't miss those days at all. And now my body is screaming, all right, you pushed, you got them better, you got them healthy, your turn. So for those of you who sound like me or are starting to feel those tickles in your throat and your chest, this is your reminder and my reminder. No sugar, no wheat, no dairy, nothing that's going to depress the immune system at all right now could go into my body, and my kids know this. And the rule is you have to be 5 days, symptomatic free before you can have any of those products at all. I don't care. No ifs, ands, buts about it. You need to keep your immune system functioning. So we're going to avoid sugar, wheat, dairy until I'm symptomatically free for 5 days. Now, also for you adults, that includes alcohol. Even if there's no sugar in it, I don't care. Alcohol is a depressor to the immune system. It's going to make this worse. So even though technically you're pretty healthy, you're getting adjusted, you're getting tuned up, remember, 200%. That is how much an adjustment boosts your immune system every time you get adjusted. And that's why our team is trained when you say, I don't feel good today. They are going to push you to come in, because I know for a fact I can elevate your immune system and help you and your body fight whatever's going on even faster. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and hopefully tomorrow I will have a voice, which is why I'm doing this today, in our truck while I'm waiting to pick up our daughter from school. So hope you guys have a great day, and remember, no sugar, wheat, dairy, 5 days post-symptom free, so that you guys can really make sure that immune system's up and functioning. And of course, give us a call whenever it's down, and we will bump that immune system up with a specific adjustment. Have a great day, guys. See you in the office. Bye-bye.